Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samatprabha Nirvignam Kurme Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take class for grade 1. That is mathematics unit number 3, that is addition up to 9, right? So in that we have discussed up to vertical addition, right? Vertical addition, that is exercise number 3.5. Now let me start with exercise number 3.6, that is addition of 0. Addition of 0. Addition of 0. Okay, the exercise number 3.6, that is addition of 0. We have already learnt that 0 means nothing. We have already learnt that 0 means nothing. So when we add nothing to a number, there is no change. There is no change. There we have studied in the property. The same will followed here, right? That is, the answer is the number itself, because we did not add anything. We did not add, here are apple, here are no apples. No apple means 0 apples, right? So this is how that's answer is the number itself, because we did not add anything, right? Let us see the following examples. Let us see the following examples. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 chocolates. Here 0 chocolates. 0 means nothing. So the number itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That same 6 number of chocolates. This can be written as 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Right? Next example is draw and color the stars in the answer and fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Right? Draw and fill the color, right? Draw and fill the color. Draw and color the stars in the answer and fill the blank. Fill in the blank. Here 0 means nothing. Here 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. And 1, 2, 3 stars. 1, 2, 3 stars. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 only. Means 0 is added to any number, it will give you a same number, right? 3 stars we need to draw, right? Here 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 only. Means here 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 only. So here we are drawn the 3 stars. For that we need to color them. Right? Hope you understood. So here I need to fill the colors to the stars. Right? So this is how we can fill the colors to the stars. Right? Clear? So let's do example based on this concept. That is exercise 3.6, exercise number 3.6, right? So here we can see fill in the triangles and see the magic of 0. Okay, fill in the triangles and see the magic of 0. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 only. 9 plus 0, 9 only. Right? 0 plus 6, 6 only. Means 0 is added to any number will give you the number itself. Right? 7 plus 0, 7 only. Right? This is how the 0 if you add to any number which gives you the number itself, right? So then move on to the concept of addition of 1 to the number. Addition of 1 to the number. This exercise based on the 3.7 exercise. Okay, 3.7 exercise. Okay, clear. Addition of 1, that is addition of 0, and here addition of 1. Addition, we know to count from 0 to 9. When we add 1 to the number, we get the next number as our answer. See the following. 1, 2, 3, 3 bags plus 1 bag is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. If you add 1 to the number, you will get the next number. For example, 3 is there. If you add 1, you will get the answer as 4. If 4 is there, if you add 1, it will get the 5. If your number is 9, and if you add 1 to the 9, you will get the next number 10, like this. Okay. Here we can see very easy concepts. So try to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smileys, and here 1 smileys. 5 plus 1 is 6, and next number is 6. Next number is 6. Here we need to draw 6 smileys. Here we need to draw 6 smileys. Okay. Right. This is how we need to add the number plus 1 gives you the number is added to the 1, if you get the next number. Okay. Here fill in the blanks. This is exercise number 3.7. Fill in the blanks. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 next number is 5, means 4 we have to add 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is next number is 3. 7 plus 1 next number is 8. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. This is how we need to add the numbers. 1 to the any number will gives you the next number. Right. Here we can go for second point under the exercise number 3.7. Here we have matched the following. 4 plus 1 is 5. Just match to the 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right. This is how we need to match, and we need to check and match to the corresponding number. Next, let's explore. Here we have, look at the numbers in the grid. Some pair of numbers that are next to each other, that is add up to 9. Find and color them. Use the different colors for each pair. One has been done for you. Right. This is 8 plus 1 is 9. Right. 8 plus 1. And here 2 plus 1. Here again 2 plus 1. Again here. Right. Here no numbers. Here no numbers. Right. So look at the numbers in the number grid. Some pair of numbers that are next to each other add up to 9. Next to each other add up to 9. Okay. And color them. Use the different colors to colors each pair. One has been done for you. Right. You take this homework and solve it. Okay. Will you do it? Right. Next we'll move on to the order of addition. Order of addition. So order of addition is means if you change the order of addition. For example, 3 plus 2 plus is equal to 2 plus 3, means A plus B is equal to B plus A, means this is 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. If you change the answer, you will get the same answer. If you change the order of the number, you will get the same answer. The order of addition means the order in which numbers are added. 1 plus 3 is one order, 3 plus 1 is another order, in whichever order we add the numbers, the answer is always the same. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Right? So this is how we can, if you change the order, we get the same answer. We can see the following example. 1 teddy bear plus 3 teddy bears is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here 3 teddy bear plus 1 teddy bear is equal to 4. And if you change the order, you will get the same answer. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 1. From this, we see that numbers can be added in any order. This order or this order or this order or this order, right? 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. Any order, right? Based on this concept, you have exercise number 3.8. Exercise number 3.8, right? Exercise number 3.8, right? So here, if you see, fill in the blanks. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 7 plus 1 or 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. Next number. One number added to the number will give you the next number, right? 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. This is how we need to solve these, right? This is exercise number, this concept, order of addition based on the concept of order of addition, right? Next, we move on to the adding three numbers. So we can add any numbers, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 numbers, any numbers. But here we will go by step. Here that starts the exercise number 3.9. The based on the concept of this, the 11 point. Okay. So this is adding 3 numbers. Till now we have learned how to add 2 numbers, means 1 plus 2 or 3 plus 2, right? Like that we had added 2 numbers. Till now we have learned how to add 2 numbers. Similarly, we can add 3 numbers also. Look at the following example. Let us 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to how much? 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 6. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 again. Right? Let us add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, let us add. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Right? Now let us add 4 to the 2. Right? Now we add 4 to 4 and 2. Right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 2 will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? This is how we can add. First, that is, we first add 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. That is, first we add 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. Then we add 4 plus 2 which is equals to 6. You can also do this sum on the number strip, right? So here we can add these 3 numbers on the number strip. You first jump once and you reach the number 1. Then you jump 3 steps and you reach 4. Finally you jump 2 more steps and reach to 6. Here 1 plus, that is 1 plus 3. Now I need to take one jump plus how many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Now we are reached here plus 3. And next 1, 2 jumps we need to take plus 2 is equal to 6. Answer is 6. Right? Answer is 6. Right? So like this we will add the numbers on the number strips. We will add the 3 numbers on the number strip. This is exercise number 3.9. 3.9. Okay. So this is exercise number 3.9. So here add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. Add the following numbers on the number strip. 3 plus 1 plus 6. How can we add? First we need to take 3 gems. From this 1, 2, 3. We will reach to 3. Right? This is 3 plus 3. Now from 3, 1, 2, 3 steps we need to take. Alright? Then again we need to take one step, that is this. So addition of 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. We will reach on the 7. Right? The addition on the number strip. Addition of numbers on the number strip. Okay? Alright. Hope you understood this example. Now let's move on to the 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0. Here first I need to take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps I need to take. I took 4. Now plus 5. I need to take 5 steps from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Plus 5. Plus 0 means no steps. Plus 0. 0 means no more steps. 0 means nothing. So where we have reached? We have reached on 9. 4 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 9. 0 means nothing. If you add 9 to the 0, you will get same number. Here 5 plus 2 plus 1. First we need to take 5 gems. 5 gems. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gems. Next plus 2 gems. 1, 2. Alright. Next again we need to take 1 gem. Plus 1 gem. Here 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 8. We have reached up to 8. Clear? This is how we need to solve the sums on the number strips. Okay? Let us consider one more example. Let us solve one more example. 1 plus 4 plus 2. Now I take 1 gem, that is 1. Next I need to take 4 plus 4 gems. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have reached plus 4. I have reached 5. Next I need to take plus 2 gems. 1, 2. Where we have reached? We have reached at the 7. The answer is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So like this we can add on the number strip. Add on the number strip. This is all about exercise number 3.9. Let us move on to the vertical additions. That is exercise based on the exercise number 3.10. Okay, exercise number 3.10. Right? Exercise number 3.10. Right? Here we can see we can also add 3 numbers vertically. Vertical addition. Right? 1, 2, 3. Right? So we need to align this 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 plus 2. Here 1. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Answer 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Right? 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here let's check. Let's check. 2 plus 1 is next number is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Right? This is how we need to work on the addition on verticals. Vertical additions of 3 numbers. Okay. Next move on to the exercise number 3.10. Exercise number 3.10. So that is based on the vertical additions. Add the following numbers vertically. Add the following numbers vertically. Here 2 plus 4 plus 1. Here I put, instead of stars, I put lines, standing lines. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2. Here what we do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 8. Like this. First we add these two things. We will get to the 6 plus 2. Right? So here 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add all numbers, all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Very easy, right? So 2 plus 2 plus 3. Here 2 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. You add any numbers. Right? Clear? 1, 2, 3. This is 1. This is 2, 1, 2, 3. This is 1 is added to 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Right? 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 2 ones are table, 2 ones are 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 6. Like otherwise 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The multiplication table is nothing but repetition of addition is called as the multiplication. Like this, that we have a tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Here 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Right? This is how we need to add the numbers vertically. The three numbers adding vertically. Right? Clear? So let us explore and add this. Help Dixie the pixie to fly, Dixie Pixie to fly across the colorful adding rings to reach the beautiful blue river. Blue river. Right? Dixie Pixie. So now on the ring, color ring, we need to add help Dixie the Pixie to fly across the colorful adding ring to reach the beautiful blue ring. Clear? So here 7 plus 2 is 7 is already there, plus 2 you need to add, right? 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. 7 is already there, next added to 1 is next number. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 is there, already there, we need to add 3. 1, 2, 3 means 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Here 6 plus 0 is same number itself. 4 plus 1 is next number, that is 5. Clear? This is how we can add the numbers very quick. 6 plus 3, 6 is already there, we need to add 1, 2, 3 means 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Here 3 plus 5, already 3 is there, we need to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 plus 5 means 3, next number is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Here 7 plus 0 is 7 itself, because if you add any number to the 0, you'll get the same number. So 4 plus 2, 4 is already there, we need to add 2. 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. 2 plus 3, 2 is already there, we need to add 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 next number is 3, 4, 5. Right? This is how we can add the numbers so quick. Right? Followed? Hope you are understanding this thoroughly. Okay? So next is story sums. Story sums means, for example, you have 6 chocolates and I gave you 2 chocolates more, then how many chocolates you have? That is called story sum. For example, you are having 3 caps, your brother gave you another 2 caps. How many caps do you have totally? Right? So this is called story sum. Story sum. And in the grocery shop, I saw 4 apples. In the fruit shop, I saw 4 apples and 3 oranges. How many fruits you saw altogether? Means we need to add 4 plus 3. That's it. For example, here we go to the shop and you ask to the shopkeeper, give 3 Dairy Milk chocolates and 2 Melody chocolates. Means 3 Dairy Milk chocolates plus 2 Melody chocolates, totally 5 chocolates. So like this, we can go for the adding of 2 numbers. That's called story sum. That's called story sum. Clear? For example, you have 5 poppins and your sister is having 2 poppins. How many poppins do both have altogether? 5 plus 2 is 7. So like this, the story, that is called statement sums. These are called story sums or statement sums. Clear? Let us now solve some problems based on what we have learnt till now. Aditi saw 3 squirrels playing on the tree in the park. She also saw 4 monkeys on the tree. 4 monkeys on the tree. How many animals did she see in all? Number of squirrels Aditi saw is 3. Number of monkeys Aditi saw is 4. Altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Altogether 6 animals she saw. She saw. Sees past tense is saw. Right? She saw. Right? Clear? So like this, story sums are there. Just we need to read. We must read and understand the statements. Then only we can able to solve this. Rajiv saw 2 lions in the zoo. Rajiv saw 2 lions in the zoo. He also saw 6 bears. 6 bears. He also saw 6 bears. How many animals did he saw altogether? Rajiv saw number of animals Rajiv saw is equal to 2. Number of bears Rajiv saw is equals to 6. Altogether is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Altogether he saw 8 animals. Altogether he saw in the zoo total 8 animals. So like this we need to solve the story sums. We need to solve the story sums. Clear? So now Manasa saw 5 butterflies in the garden. Then she saw 4 more butterflies which joins them. How many butterflies did she see in all together? In all. Number of butterflies Manasa saw first is 5. Write down 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Number of butterflies Manasa saw next time is 4. 4. Altogether 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Altogether he saw 9 butterflies. Altogether he saw 9 butterflies. Right? Clear? 9 butterflies. Manasa saw 5 butterflies in the garden. Then she saw 4 more butterflies which joined them. How many butterflies did she see in all? Number of butterflies Manasa saw first is equal to 5. Number of butterflies Manasa saw next is equal to 4. Then total number of 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number of butterflies she saw is equal to 9. Right? This is how we can solve the story sums. These are called story sums. Clear? So next is Minu. Minu saw 2 fish. Minu saw 2 fish. Fish. See past tense is saw. Minu saw 2 fish. Then she saw 2 more fish. Then she saw 2 more fish. How many fish did she see altogether? How many fish did she see altogether? Number of fish Minu saw first is equal to 2. Number of fish Minu saw next is equal to 2 again. 2 plus 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether she saw that is 4 fish. 4 fish. Right? This is how we need to solve the story sums. These are very easy. Just we need to understand whole the concept thoroughly. Then take your book and try to solve by your own. I am sure that definitely you are able to solve this. Let us explore. Let us explore. So Akshara has 2 oranges and 7 mangoes. Pari has 2 papaya and 3 strawberries. Pari has 3 papayas, 3 strawberries and 3 bananas. Right? Pari says that she has more number of fruits than the Akshara. Is it right? Explain. To explain, first we need to add how many number of fruits Akshara is having. Akshara has Akshara, right? Here 2 oranges, right? And 7 mangoes, right? Altogether 2 plus 7 is 9. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9. Total number of fruits Akshara is having is 9. Right? Pari has 3 papaya. Pari has papaya, 3 papaya. 3 papayas, and 3 strawberries, right? Then 3 bananas, 3 bananas, 3 bananas. Okay, then add 1 to all the 3 papaya, strawberry and banana. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So here Akshara and mango, 9 is equals to 9. Akshara and Pari are having same number of fruits. Same number of fruits. Here when we add all together, we'll come to the conclusion that 9 is equals to 9 means Akshara is having 9 fruits, Pari is having 9 fruits. Both the Akshara and Pari are having equal number of fruits. Okay, equal number of fruits, right? Counting things together. Adding means here word power. Adding means counting things together. Order of addition is the order in which the number are added. For example, 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1, any order will gives you the same result, right? So this is how addition works. Just we have learned the adding of 2 numbers, 3 numbers, counting and adding on the number strip, adding vertically and adding horizontally, and again addition properties. Adding 0 to any number will give you the same number, adding 1 to the any number will give you the next number, like this. And again we have solved some adding 3 numbers, addition of 3 numbers, then story sums 2. This is how addition works. Value and life skills. When Ashwini was promoted to class 1, he decided to give away his kindergarten books to Holy Home, a place for those children who have no parents. He gave 1 English book, 2 number books and 1 drawing book. 1 English book, 2 number books and 1 drawing book. How many books he gave altogether? What do you do with your old books? So here Ashwin has promoted to the class 1. When he promotes, he is having the old books with him. What the Ashwin did is, he gave to the Holy Home. Here orphanage, what we can call as. Orphanage means Anathalaya. There the no parents are there for them to take care of, to buy the books for them or the dress for them. So for that what Ashwin did is, after promoting the class 1, he is having the old books. He wished to give them to the Holy Home. First he gave 1 English book, then he gave 2 number books and 1 drawing book. Altogether 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Total number of books he gave to the Holy Home is 4. Holy Home is 4. That the giving your old things, maybe the books, maybe the compass box, maybe the school bag, maybe the your dress, okay, maybe your costumes, your shirt, t-shirt, whatever it may be, you need to give when you are not using them. When you are not using anymore, you may give to the Holy Home or orphanage, or you can give to your maid's children, or you can give to your driver's children, so that they will feel happy, because when you are not using them, you need to share with other kids. That is the moral, that is the value, and that is the life skills we must learn from this, right? Here let's do aim. So this is the activity to reinforce the concept of addition. Material required: set of flashcards and number up to 0 to 9. Activity: divide the class into 4 groups. If the schools are available open, I can do this activity. Just you read this and do it with your family members, right? Here fun time activity. Do that activity at home. Fun time activity: add the number on the rocket so that it can take off. Add the numbers on the rocket so that it can take off. So here on the rockets we have some sums. We need to add them and help help it to take off. 4 plus 3, 4 is already there, we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Here 5 plus 3, 5 is already there, we need to add 1, 2, 3, 5, next number is 6, 7, 8. Right? 1 plus 7 plus 1 is next number. Adding 1 to any number will give you the next number. What is the next number? 7 plus 1 is 8. Alright? 4 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 5 is already there. We need to add 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So like this. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 is already there. We need to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 3 next is 1, 2, 3. 3 next is 4, 5, 6. Right? 8 plus 1 is next number. Adding 1 to the any number will gives you the next number. That is 8. Next number is 9. 4 plus 2. Adding 4 to 4 and 2. Here 4 is already there. We need to add 2. 4 next number is 1, 2. Right? Next number is 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 6. Right? This is how we need to add the numbers. Right? Very simple and very interesting. And just we need to understand all the concept thoroughly first, then you need to solve this. Right? Look around your house and write down the names of the big trees, 2 big trees, 3 animals and 2 birds. Write the names in the following table and count the total number of living things that you saw. First what we do is look around your house. You take it as homework. You have to do it your own. Here, living things, big trees, animals, birds. Here, look around your house, write down the names of big trees. Maybe you saw coconut tree, maybe you saw neem tree, mango tree, lemon tree, like that. Okay, 2 trees, names of the trees, you have to write it here, and number here is equal to 2. Right? Next, 3 animals. 3 animals, you can see the cat, dog, rabbit, squirrel, whatever you saw. Cow, buffalo, pig, anything you can see. Right? 3 animals you write down, number is equal to this. 3 animals. How many animals you see? You see, that you need to write. Number of birds. Here 2 birds. Maybe sparrow, pigeon, crow, etc. So write down sparrow and pigeon, write it here numbers, and total number of living things is equal to, you need to all together will gives you the total number of animals. Take this as homework and do it at your home. Right? Hope you have understood this concept of addition thoroughly. Just watch and listen to the video carefully. First you watch and listen to the video, understand all the concept, and try to solve unit by unit, right? Exercise by exercise. Here in this video I am going to give the timings below in the description, and if on the in front of your particular exercise I mentioned the time, just tap once on that time, you will get directly go to the particular exercise. No need to forward and watch. Okay, if you have not followed any particular exercise, then you need to tap on that particular timing on in front of its concept or its exercise. It will take you to that point. Okay, no need to tap on, keep on forwarding. Okay, just you tap on that, it will take you to that position. Right? This is all about addition of 0 to 9 for grade 1, that is class 1. The unit number 3, addition of 0 to 9. If at all you find any doubts, you may give me a call between 10 AM to 5 PM. This is the second part of your addition of 0 to 9. First part I had uploaded on day before yesterday, and today I am uploading rest of the part of this unit. Unit number 3, that is addition of 0 to 9. Okay, hope you understand. Hope you understood all the concept. If at all you find any difficulties in understanding, you may give me a call between 10 AM to 5 PM. Till then, take care. We'll meet in the next session. Okay, take care. Bye.